DIY travel gear hacks, repurpose everyday items for adventure. Think you need expensive travel gear for your next adventure? Think again. What if I told you that everyday household items could be transformed into travel essentials that save space, money, and time? Stay tuned as we unlock 11 genius DIY travel gear hacks that will make your journey smoother and stress-free. Toothpaste tablets from mints, crush sugar-free mints, mix with a drop of coconut oil, let them harden, and voila, travel-friendly toothpaste tablets without the mess of tubes. DIY laundry kit with soap flakes, grate bar soap into a small container for an instant portable detergent, perfect for washing clothes in hotel sinks. Straw travel containers, cut a plastic straw, seal one end with a lighter, fill it with travel size lotion, toothpaste, or spices, then seal the other end. Lightweight and spill proof. Binder clip razor cover, protect your razor blades and avoid accidental cuts by snapping a binder clip over the sharp edges. DIY waterproof matches, coat match tips with clear nail polish or melted wax to make them waterproof and weather resistant. Pill organizer for small essentials, store earrings, rings, vitamins, and even tiny portions of skincare in an old pill organizer for easy access. Shower cap shoe covers, keep dirty shoes from soiling your clothes by covering them with disposable shower caps. DIY neck pillow from a hoodie, roll up soft clothing inside a hoodie and tie the arms together for a makeshift neck pillow. Lip balm cache stash, clean out an old lip balm tube and use it as a secret hiding spot for emergency cash. Sponge soak soap bars, cut a sponge into squares, soak them in liquid soap, let them dry, and pack them for single-use disposable hand washes. DIY phone stand from sunglasses case, flip a rigid sunglasses case open and rest your phone inside for an instant travel stand. Which of these hacks have you tried before? Got a unique DIY travel trick? Drop it in the comments below. And if you love these hacks, hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly travel tips. A recent survey by travel experts confirms that smart packing with DIY solutions reduces luggage weight by up to 30%, making travel more efficient and stress-free. Our expertise in travel innovations ensures you get trusted, practical solutions aligned with real-world needs. FAQs. Do these hacks work for international travel? Yes. These hacks are TSA-friendly and perfect for both domestic and international trips. Are homemade solutions safe? Absolutely. Each of these hacks uses safe, everyday materials that won't raise security concerns. How do I keep my DIY gear organized? Use Ziploc bags and label each item to stay organized and efficient. Love these budget-friendly travel hacks? Subscribe now for weekly travel tips and adventure gear tricks that save you money and enhance your travel experience. Share this video with fellow travelers and let's build a smart travel community together. Disclaimer: these DIY hacks are meant for informational purposes only. Ensure all modifications are safe and compliant with travel regulations before use.